Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to finish the 3-inch dump pipe. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We have more argon. We picked it up on Friday. It's over here. So I need to hook that up to the welder and get stuck back into welding. A lot of welds to do tonight. So probably just do all of these welds. And then tomorrow, once it's cooled down, the piece has cooled down, we'll get it back on the car and we'll just finish off that bottom section, that last section there to the flange, and we'll fit the bungs in for these O2 bungs. So I got one down the bottom here to put in, and I'll probably put one in this straight section here for the O2 sensor for the gauge, for the air fuel ratio gauge that I've got there. Alright, so I'm going to sharpen the tungsten there. As you can see, it's flattened off there, so alrighty guys, so I've done this bend here. It's okay, it's not the best. It's welded. Now to move on to the section up here. It is a little bit awkward, so that's why you might see some short runs. I don't have a vise here, it's still at my parents' place. So it's just a little bit awkward, moving the piece around and welding it that way. But yeah. Got these ones here to do. I got this one here, and then guys. It's all welded up. It's still freaking hot. As you can see, it might be smoking a bit there. I just finished that weld there. So tomorrow I will put it in the car and we'll figure out this last little section here. It's fully welded, and that'll be the end of the episode. Stay tuned. Be back out here tomorrow finishing it off. Alrighty guys, I am back. It's the next night, as you can probably tell. It's cooled down, so I'm going to go get a jumper as well. So we're going to be putting that back on and have a look at the flange from the dump to the mid pipe as well. I probably won't do it tonight. Well, I'll check it all out and see what I need to do. See if I've got enough cutting disc to do it. Yeah. So let's get it back on the car. Alright guys, just worked out the last little section. So this actually goes to where the flange would be. And this goes to where the flex joint is. Put them lined up. And that line there is where it goes into the flex joint. I was going to use this flange, but it's actually, didn't realise that it had a 2.5 inch hole there instead of a 3 inch. I can do a little step down in the mid pipe. This is the 2.5 schedule 40 pipe, but actually the external is like 3 inch. So I could actually do that for a step down and like curve those, and I guess, yeah, get a 3 inch on a 3 inch flange for both sides. So the mid pipe will have a 3 inch flange, and obviously the dump pipe will, and then it will step down into the 2.5 that is the mid pipe at the moment, or we can make it 3 inch. Eventually it'll be a 3 inch mid pipe, but for now stick to the 2.5. So yeah, I'm just going to tack these two, and then I've got to pull the dump pipe out once again and finish welding that on. So I'm going to finish this episode with this being welded on to the dump pipe, not the flange, so I'm not sure if I'll go like 3 inch V-band or 3 inch with the 3 bolts, or just a 2. I found that the twos tend to leak a bit from the top and the bottom. I know they shouldn't, because they should be flat, but maybe I'll go a V-band. I do tend to like to pull my cars apart quite a bit, so maybe a V-band would be best option. Then both top and bottom will be V-bands. Let's weld it. And there we have it guys. Finished the dump pipe, except for the flange here, which I don't know what I'm doing yet, but that is done. That can go back in. It will line straight up and even sit up against the mid pipe. Actually, I think it seals against it too, because it's supposed to have that donut gasket in there from the stock one. But yeah, there it is, boys and girls. The rotated GT35 dump pipe. The one thing I would change is I'd probably shorten this, so then wouldn't have to have so much going on here. Also, it's getting pretty close to the CV joint. So yeah, bring it up higher and just follow the body under. We'll see how that goes. If you like this episode guys, give it a thumbs up, and please consider hitting that subscribe button if you have not yet. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.